Oh, Scout! Why are you all wet?
That's when a miracle happened. And what miracle was it? That's when a miracle happened.
You can't touch!
Come on, jump up. Come on.
Hey! Asa dito siya! Ay! Goshi! You're so fat. Goshi! Ay! 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 Good boy.
Dito si.
Lily, stop. Stop. I said stop.
I've never wanted to murder a dog in my entire life. Where are you, Silverish?
Ah, there you are. This is my view.
I have been looking for this dog for a half an hour. Benzie! Benzie, I have been calling your name. Benzie! I thought you got eaten by a hawk or something.
You have something on your face right there. But you have something in your face. Yeah, see, get it. You got it. It's right there. Okay.
Oh, whiskey. Oh, honey. You're gonna get me in trouble.
Archie, did you get the trash? Did you?
Bang.
Not to say sorry.
Hope you like Italian. Where'd you go? Hey, come on! Hey, where'd you go? Oh, hey, come on!
Stop crying. Stop crying because you can't bite your sister.
guess who learned how to let themselves in? You see that?
I'm not singing 2 whole days, am I? Am I? No, I'm not.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
You know you want to go outside? Oh.
Come here right now. Come here right now. Excuse me. No zoomies. What is going on? What are you doing? What is happening right now?
You okay, Mama? You okay? Okay.
How are you doing? Ma! Stella. Тео, ты сам не наденешь коляску, неправильно. Тео, с другой стороны. Guys.
Duke Vladimir Putin's coming. He's at the door.
Walked in upon you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid.
Elvis, get the fuck back in this house right now. Get
To you. Happy birthday to you. Tony?
Oh, rest the skulls of 2 minutes.
What are you doing? Where are you taking it? Why are you finishing dinner in here? What's happening? Oh, heavens.
Ultimo detto. Pronti? Partenza? Via!
Does anyone else try to cuddle with their wife ever? And you have this going on? Get out of here. He just, every time.
Silver pan, you cannot tear it up.
Mama, Callie, don't you f***ing do it. Mama, stand up, go home.
Randomly scream while your dogs are playing.
is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
No. There's a no. It's a no. It's a no. No, 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 no.
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 Jack, are you okay? Jack, I can take the sweater off if you don't like it.
Go away.
What are you doing, buddy? Since when do you like being a cat?
Hugo.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you good? Yeah, you can do it.
Buddy, help him.
Oh, you better not drop that. Don't do it. Don't drop that. How the hell you even do?
You want a bag? That is funny.
Baby, Quiet's trying to save Odin. And there he goes.
I don't. I was like, what are you doing?
Bella, go lay down. Go lay down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bella, oh.
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Are you ready for your pupped up?
And the grass is soaking wet. You can't get around. He doesn't know what to do. Oh.
Get to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly. Holly. You're so pretty.
A dangerous right-handed batter. Here's the pitch.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
¡Suélteme! ¡Suélteme, hijo de la chingada! ¡Suélteme, hijo de la chingada!
Atlas, give me the garbage can.
六一啊，过来，来，来，好宝贝。哎呀，我操，疯了，我。
Hi, buddy.
Never
That's a cute smile. Paul, let me see a smile.
Honey. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery.
Look at that boy. Look at that boy. He's ready to go. You ready to go?
Hey, listen, I like to have a lot of fresh fruit around and chocolate chips in my pancakes. Okay, write it down so you don't forget.
Downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog.
It still is in my heart. One of my favorites is when reminds me of the elegance.
Just three dudes chilling on the couch. Nothing to see here other than this dude. Oh, okay.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog. Oh, Chewy, sit. Stay. Good boy. Yeah. You're a nice boy. Nice boy too. Ow! Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
And we left the dog in the truck. Then I came in to find this.
Yeah.
Hey, Blue.
Hey.
Was it good?
Sit. Sit. No. Sit.
No, your bed can't go outside. Juno.